So I'll just add an emitter and I'll take the fountain and this is the fountain default. And the next force we will use in this video, it is aerodynamic force. That is very cool and new thing in UE5.3. So if you take this, it also need alignment module. So if you take this, it will have an issue. If you fix that, it will add that module here. Okay. And you can see some changes here. These are now aligned on axis. And this is just a radial, so I'll change the material so we will have something that we can see rotation on it. So I can just take this flat material, or maybe I'll take the other one, this one. Yeah, and I'll change the color. Oops, what's happening? I'll take this like this much. Oh, it doesn't have particle. It's okay. So now you can see it has made some changes. First thing is drag. If this is 0, it will be the same, so it will not work. So if you make this one, we will have some aerodynamic drag. So you can randomize it, like you can make it 0, you can make it 1, you can play between. The second thing is rotation. There is some rotation that's going on. You can just increase it to disable it, and that rotation strength is here. So if I increase this, you can see that rotation. So now after this rotation, if I increase the drag of my rotation, its rotation will go. So that means this drag will like over life applying on that rotation. So if you make this like 5, rotation will smoothly stop. Okay, I added too much. See, and these are rotating on 360 like a 3D mesh planar because of this alignment, right? And then we have this lift contribute. So if I make this 0, see, they are just falling straight. And if I make this 1, there's some motion that they are just like tumbling like this and just swinging. So these are the settings. And this setting is for the rotation pivot. You can edit it, but by default it works fine. And if you want to know the best settings for this, there's an example for that. You just disable this, add one emitter, that is confetti burst. And in this is the best example for it. I'll just change the size of my particles a little bit. See how cool is this? They are rotating, they are floating, they are just, see. So there's a aerodynamic drag in this. You can see there's random aerodynamic drag. There's a very less drag. Here there's random lift, random rotation. These are the settings. Okay. So you can play with these two. You can play with this confetti burst also. You can just try your own. Okay. So if I just make this like 0, 0, these are the simple. Okay. So you can just make it 0.4 and 0.5, 0.2. So you will have that cool effect. So I hope now you understand. Okay. Thanks. Bye.